Methode Data Solutions Group introduces the new compact Pro Slide LC connector. The Pro Slide compact LC connector is available in single mode, multi-mode, and APC configurations. The compact Pro Slide LC connector meets IEC 61574-20, TIA EI 604-10A specifications. The connector is also RoHS compliant. The smooth action of the compact Pro Slide connector matches the original Pro Slide with a simple pulling action to disconnect and a simple push action to connect. The standard LC connector requires space to access the RJ45 style latch mechanism. With the Pro Slide connector, the space required between connectors is reduced by 50%. The new compact Pro Slide LC is 9.2 millimeters shorter than the standard Pro Slide connector and now matches the length of the traditional single body LC connector. The height of the new compact Pro Slide connector has been reduced by 3.4 millimeters to match the height of the traditional LC connector. Removing connectors in high-density applications is easy using the Pro Slide extraction tool. This tool is available at no charge. Contact us at 888-446-9175 or call your local Methode account manager.